Hi everyone, CAT 2026 के aspirants. All of you welcome to the session guys. पता नहीं क्यों मैं ये लेकर के बैठी हुई हूँ हाथ में, अभी तो लिखना शुरू भी नहीं किया है. Alright, so you have decided to take the CAT next year. It looks like an uphill climb to you right now. और पता है what is making matters worse is जो ये आप YouTube पे ना हजारों सेशंस आप देख रहे होंगे जिसमें कहा जा रहा है the prep journey for the whole year, the next year prep journey, what to do, the road map for the next year. तो अब ये सब सुन के ना you must be getting quite overwhelmed क्योंकि भाई एक साथ if you've got a Herculean task, a big goal ahead of you, that looks quite daunting. On the other hand, if you break it down into smaller goals, it becomes easy for you. So वो जो uphill task है, that starts looking pretty normal. ये मैं अक्सर करती हूँ, like daily targets में भी, to-do list में पहले भर के मैं 30-35 tasks लिख लेती हूँ. फिर उसके बाद समझ आता है कि ये एक साथ इतना तो हो नहीं सकता है. Then I break it down. Right? So even if it's like some target for the whole week, I break it down into like bits and pieces and I try to cover those on a daily basis or something, right? So to cut to the chase, what I'm saying is instead of scaring you with that whole year ka journey, with that whole year ka roadmap, I'm going to give you today only for 90 days, the first 3 months. I hope I've got the maths correct. Yes. Okay. So for all the three subjects, VARC, that is mine, DILR, that's the second one, and QA, that's the third one. I will give you a little bit of gyan, like tidbits on all these three sections, okay? So if you have got a pen and paper, let's roll. You really need to note down some points, and trust me guys, if you get started with these things, it will really help you to get the ball rolling. वरना हम सोचते ही रह जाते हैं कि कभी तो शुरुआत होगी and then 2 महीने निकल जाएंगे, 3 महीने निकल जाएंगे, you will still be at the start line. आप सोचते ही रह जाओगे कब स्टार्ट करना है मैंने, ठीक है? सो श्री गणेश कर लो, अभी मेरी बात मानो, चलो आप 2-3 दिन का अपने आप को गैप दे दो and kind of set it up, सोच लो, प्लान कर लो, but as soon as possible get started. So this is for VARC. This is the slide that's giving you some छोटे छोटे points. अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे ये बता देती हूँ, this is editorial का हमेशा का मेरा hollering. Even if you start studying with me on a regular basis on iQuanta platform, you will keep hearing this from me. बच्चों reading करो, daily reading करो, editorials पढ़ो. So for those of you who feel reading fictions, reading novels and all is good enough, you're mistaken. You can get started with novels and maybe any other kind of fiction or non-fiction, simple reading just to kind of develop that love for reading, okay? But then those are not going to help you in CAT. Because for CAT, you really need to wrap your head around these weird and vague topics. अब ये सारे vague topics कैसे आएंगे? You start reading the editorials from some reliable sources such as The Guardian, New York Times, Hindustan Times. You can go to The Economist and Mint newspaper, जो भी आपको suit करे. You can start at an easy level and graduate to the higher levels, okay? Then besides editorials, you can even go to good sources such as Scientific American, Smithsonian, EON, in सबके articles, New Atlantic, okay, Philosophy Today, ये सबके articles CAT generally pick करता है, उन topics पे generally होते हैं, ठीक है? Then write a 2 to 3 line summary of what you understand about the editorial. It's going to be a very boring thing, reading editorial after editorial, but मेरे दोस्त, that is what is going to help you on the D-Day. Even if you attend 500 classes with me, even if you solve 1,000 passages, even if you solve 2,000 parajumble questions, ये थोड़ा hyperbole है, I know, but still बोलने में क्या हर्ज है, sound effect अच्छा आता है ना? So even if you do all these things, doesn't matter. You are not going to crack CAT with that great percentile unless you improve your daily reading. Daily कितना होना चाहिए? Just 30 minutes. So your 2 to 3 line summary of what you understand from that article or editorial, okay? And then you have to start locating the main idea. How will you understand the main idea? कहाँ है main idea? The first para, the last para. And generally the main idea is connected with the title and the tagline of the passage, of the article. Okay, moreover, you can come to the classes and check with me. In case you have a problem locating the main idea, that's where this comes into picture, my RC100 playlist. It's there on YouTube, the YouTube channel of iQuanta, जिस पे आप अभी ये watch कर रहे हो, ठीक है? So go to that playlist. Randomly you can pick sessions, and in every episode I have shown how to locate the main idea, how to handle a passage, how to map the passage, join the dots, okay? Skimming, skipping, scanning कैसे करते हैं? How to do smart reading instead of the word for word reading जो traditional method है हमारा, ठीक है? तो ये हो गया आपका one editorial daily, 2 to 3 line summary बता चुकी मैं आपको, main idea आप करना शुरू करोगे, and then in case you get stuck, you go to that playlist. Vocabulary and concept building, please get started. We have got a wonderful module that is VARC Essentials, in which there are dense concepts, CAT type concepts given over there. आप वो उठाओगे VARC Essentials. In case you're a paid learner, if you're not a paid learner, you can simply make your own list of topics, and you can get started with these concept building wala process and vocabulary. Vocabulary के लिए, if you feel more comfortable with a book in hand, you can go for Norman Lewis ka Word Power Made Easy, or you can even dig into the Barron's List, BARRON''S. These two sources are like wonderful for vocabulary. ऐसा नहीं है कि इनके बिना आप नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. You can even read the dictionary. You can improve your vocabulary with the help of daily reading. That is okay. You can improve vocabulary in chat rooms. You can improve vocabulary by watching Netflix and Prime Pay good series. All that is fine, but just, some people have that comfort thing. If they have a book, they are following a book. So I'm telling you these two sources. I'll repeat: Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, and Barron's List, BARRON''S. Got it? Okay. Read all the RC passages from 2017 to 2024. This is the diamond of the day. Diamond tip. All right. So what will happen? The logic behind this is, आप अगर सारे passages उठा के पढ़ते हो, you will be able to understand the diversity that CAT gives. You will be able to see the dense words that keep cropping up. So somehow that's going to prime your mind, prime your brain for the CAT passages. दीवार पे painting होती है तो सीधा paint नहीं लगाया जाता है. First priming is done, right? Similarly, you need to give your brain some fodder. You need to force it, you need to push it to get used to such words and passages. That is what will happen when you read those passages. I'm not asking you to solve those passages, mind you. Just pick all the passages and एक ही दिन में पढ़ के खत्म नहीं कर देना, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Okay, and don't read just for the sake of reading. Read in order to understand. In case you get stuck anywhere, you're not able to understand the meaning of a particular line or phrase or anything, just go to ChatGPT, Dada. Copy paste, ask ChatGPT to explain that sentence to you. सारा काम आजकल आसान हो जाता है. Okay? बहुत छोटा सा syllabus है VARC का. आप बस start तो करो. This is like, just for 33s or 90 days. ये 90 days में आपको, this will give you a firm foundation, a good base on which you can start polishing and painting. All right. Now I'm going to take you over to DILR. This is not my domain, but I have just gathered these tidbits after speaking to experts, and I know that these really work. So start with Sudoku. जैसे हमारे अभी VARC में हमने discuss किया ना, editorial. Similarly, these people the DILR people keep hollering about Sudoku. So Sudoku करने से क्या होता है? Your brain sharpens. Okay. जो मेरा नहीं हो पाया. Okay. Because Sudoku देखते numbers, I have got this numberophobia. अब उसको कुछ और phobia बोलते होंगे, but somehow numbers देखते मुझे चक्कर आते हैं. So I can do reasoning के verbal reasoning का parts, but numerical तो भाई, it's not my cup of tea. All right, total 6 sets of puzzles and linear arrangement. You have to get started with the easy level. We have DILR Essentials, जो कि VARC Essentials अभी मैंने बोला, उसी तरह का एक और module है, but this gives you एकदम basic level का questions and concepts and unka explanations, okay, easy to understand. So you can get started with this. Focus on solving the set and analyze your approach. Now, just solving it and just looking at the solution is not enough. So if I were in your shoes, what I would do is solve kiya ek baar, galti ho gayi, solution dekha, go back to that and check the solution. Just go back to that question again and solve it again. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत याद रहेगा आपको, doesn't matter. But then you have to be a little kind of, persistent. कि हाँ मुझे करना है, दोबारा करना है. Let's see if this time if I'm able to understand everything or not. एक ही चीज को आप 2-3 बार करोगे, definitely you will be able to push your brain towards that. ओके, सर्क्यूलर अरेंजमेंट एकदम इजी लेवल, फाइन. सो इसके आपको लाइक कहां पे मिलेगा कंटेंट? अगेन एज आई सेड, गो टू दिस. So for whatever basic level stuff, just go to this. This is your going to, I mean, this is going to be like, really your Brahmastra. शुरू के 90 days का. Sudoku daily, ये चलता रहेगा. Just like in VRC, I keep saying, कुछ भी कर लो. Editorial रुकना नहीं है. Keep doing it just so that the brain keeps getting sharpened. Similarly, DILR folks keep saying, Sudoku करते रहो. Total 6 sets of tables and bar graph sets, easy level. Okay, and 8 sets of selection and distribution and scatter chart. In case you're not able to find any of these in the DILR essentials, जो कि highly improbable है, you can ask your respective educators कि भाई हमको इसका कुछ content दे दो या बता दो कहां से pick करना है. Okay, familiarize yourself with frequent words used in logical reasoning and data interpretation. Now, for me, this is the diamond tip of the day from this section. I'll tell you why. Because in DILR, many times it so happens that the language is something that stumps the students. अरे मैं तो समझ ही नहीं पाया था उसने बोला क्या था, मैं तो वो निकालने लग गया था. So DILR is very much connected to language comprehension. So this is a good step that is actually going to give you a solid foundation. तो आप जैसे ही question देखोगे ना, it will take you just a split second to understand what the question is saying. ठीक है? So frequent words, logical reasoning, दोनों में, DILR दोनों में, just the frequent words and the language, the pattern. Just familiarize yourself. उसके लिए आप probably ये भी कर सकते हो, जैसे मैंने इसमें दिया ना आपको 2017 to 2024. Just go through the passages. इसमें बोला मैंने DILR में, just go through the questions. Maybe you can make a list of the question types. Okay, not the options, not the पूरा chart, just the question stem, जिसको बोलते हैं ना the main question. Make a list of those questions and एक बार जब सामने आपके होगा, आप सोच के देखो, आपने अगर 100 क्वेश्चंस को ऐसे लाइन बाय लाइन लिख लिया, if you just take a look at those questions, don't you think you will be able to see a pattern? आप खुद डिटरमिन कर पाओगे कि ये अच्छा इस तरह से पूछा, ये इस तरह से पूछा, ये तो बात तो वही कर रहा है. Getting my point? Yes. So ये एकदम बेसिक फंडास है, but these actually work wonders. आ गए QA बड़े भाई पे. अब इनका तो सिलेबस ही ऐसा है कि भाई ये तो मतलब 90 डेज में हमारा VARC DILR का लग रहा था कि इतने इतने से है. अभी की QA में तो आई मीन दिस इज नॉट इवन द होल ऑफ इट जो 90 डेज में आपको शुरू करना होगा, बट स्टिल I didn't want to intimidate you, तो मैंने थोड़ा ही दिया है यहां पर आपको. Just get started with these number system basics. I'm sure you all know this. Number system is extremely important and you get a lot of questions. So natural numbers, integers, whole numbers, rational, irrational, 10 questions maybe. 10 अगर आपको ज्यादा भी लगे ना, you can reduce it to 5 questions per day. Why? Because अभी it's like an early start. Okay, we can increase it to 10 and 15 at a later stage, maybe by Feb or March. Start taking short notes of every topic. Now, this is extremely important. Why? Because if you are learning a topic, how will you remember? ये वाला क्वेश्चन ऐसा है तो ये शॉर्टकट, ये वाला ऐसा है तो ये इसका फॉर्मूला है, मुझे तो करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू. ओके, सो कीप राइटिंग, keep scribbling, maintain 3 repositories of all the 3 subjects. ठीक है, separate repositories बहुत काम आने वाला है जब आपके रिवीजन के डेज होते हैं ना, अक्टूबर नवंबर टाइप्स, उसमें ये repositories निकलती हैं, and then it's very easy for you to go through those pages or maybe form flashcards. Okay, then factors and multiples. HCF, LCM, स्कूल का जमाना याद आ गया मुझे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, लास्ट डिजिट्स. ओके, नाउ इसमें आप ये तो आप 10 to 12 क्वेश्चंस पर डे कर लेना, बिकॉज दीज क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट दैट लेंथी. नाउ देयर इज वन थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू हियर. QA फॉर नॉन इंजीनियर्स. अभी जैसे मैंने VRC एसेंशियल्स, DILR एसेंशियल्स बोला, दैट्स अनदर मॉड्यूल विद अस. ये हमारा है QA फॉर नॉन इंजीनियर्स. ओके, सो इसमें क्या है, क्लास 6 टू क्लास 10 के क्वेश्चंस उस लेवल का आपको सिखाया जाएगा. गॉट इट? सो मे बी यू कैन चेक दैट इफ यू आर अ पेड लर्नर ऑन iQuanta platform. You can revise the concepts after a few days, let's say 2-3 weeks हो गए, and then you start revising. Practice short quiz. You can just kind of go to Google or you can even ask ChatGPT to give you certain basic questions on those certain topics that you have covered. स्टार्ट विद डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स, फैक्टोरियल्स, ट्रेलिंग जीरोस, ओके, ये सारे हैं यहाँ पे। इसको आप 12 से 14 क्वेश्चंस ये भी कर सकते हो, okay. 20 to 30 questions untimed test to brush up concepts. Now don't think that I'm talking about these like एक ही week में, 2 weeks में, these kind of, you know, a gradual across, spread across your 3 months. Remainder theorem, co-primes, properties of GCD, and this you can do 12 questions per day, ठीक है। ये एक रफ एस्टिमेट है, इसमें आप +2, -2, +5 कर सकते हो, आपकी मर्जी है, जिसके साथ आपका जो कंफर्ट लेवल है। बट माई 2 cents is, if there is a topic that you are not comfortable with, उसके questions ज्यादा रखना अपने पास, because अभी starting time है, तो अभी it's good time for you to actually wrap your head around these Greek and Latin topics, ठीक है, जो alienish topics होते हैं। Revise and take a topic test, ये कब कब होना चाहिए आपका revision and topic test? I'll tell you, every 2 weeks। बड़ा कोई टेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, just give yourself a compilation, maybe you can set the timer and just take a quick topic test, or maybe you can go to Google and ask for help, ठीक है। सो ये हो जाएगा। एंड कंसेप्चुअल गैप्स, अगर आपको लग रहा है दैट यहाँ पे मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, ये तरीके से करना है, गेट इन टच विथ योर एजुकेटर। रिविजन ऑफ कंप्लीट नंबर सिस्टम, स्टार्ट बेसिक अरिथमेटिक एंड परसेंटेजेस बेसिक्स, about 12 to 15 questions per day। अब ये मत सोचो आपकी ये 12, ये 12, ये 12, I'm sure you've got common sense, समझ में आ रहा है, right? At a time, if you are practicing one topic, you're focusing on one topic, I'm talking about the number of questions for that particular topic. No need to burn out। आप अभी बहुत ज्यादा जोश में स्टार्ट हो गए, मैं डेली तो ना 20-20 क्वेश्चंस करूंगा, 40-40 करूंगा, वेरी सून यू विल रन आउट ऑफ स्टीम। सो इट्स बेटर टू गो स्टेडी एंड जस्ट स्पेस थिंग्स आउट, ऑलराइट। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, टेक अ टॉपिक टेस्ट और अ मैराथन ऑफ 40 to 50 क्वेश्चंस। दिस शुड हैपन एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी month। I hope this is clear, guys. So this was short and crisp and ekdam, like I think it's going to hit home with you all. Get started with these, and बाकी के लिए we are here. So और आपको कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, okay, you just need to get in touch with your educators, and even otherwise you can just tell the support team, they will help you get in touch with us. All right, thank you so much. Get started with your prep.